Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a centralized data logger for early earthquake warning, PX01. Before we start, here's the outline of this video. Spec, feature, application, accessories, housing, pin configuration, and operation. Now, let's talk about the spec of PX01. Built-in watchdog function, CPU, memory, network module, power consumption. PX01 is equipped with LCD for displaying relevant information. Built-in RTC supports NTP time calibration. PX01 is a centralized system that can be used as a data logger, voice and visual alarm, and can connect up to 4 devices. It can also provide emergency shutdown before or after an earthquake. PX01 was developed for regional and on-site information for earthquake early warning. It can also support different applications. When earthquake occurs, Pallet or Pallet Plus sends information to PX01. After receiving information, PX01 will display visual alarm and audio alarm on the broadcasting system and send text messages to users. It is also capable of emergency machine shutdown before or after an earthquake. Let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You will see PX1, power supply cable, 8 screws, and 2 supporting pods. Let's talk about the housing of PX01. There are 3 relay LED signs displaying device status. Please see the chart below for detailed operation. You can also pause the video to check for detail. Here's the image of pin configuration. You may follow this configuration for wiring. Here we are, moving on to the operation of PX01. PX01 will power on after you plug in the power socket. The LCD monitor will display booting after the power has been switched on. There's only one button to operate PX01. Each function will be triggered based on the seconds you press. Press the button for 1 second. The IP address will be displayed. 2 seconds. NTP reload. 3 seconds. Cancel. Press the button for 4 seconds. You will be able to reload any change. Here's a friendly reminder. Please remember to reload the system after making changes. 5 seconds. Display software version. 6 seconds. Soft reload. 7 seconds. Update software via FTP. 8 seconds. Record manually. 9 seconds. Entering testing mode. To turn off the device, please press the button for 12 seconds. Please remove the external power supply to turn off the device thoroughly. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.